Baby oil and Vaseline jelly will make your skin younger like that of a little baby. First, we need Vaseline jelly. Place 2 tablespoons of Vaseline jelly in a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of baby oil. Baby oil moisturizes the skin and fights the signs of aging. From which city are you watching the video from? Let me know in the comments. Now, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel tightens sagging skin and fights wrinkles. Mix the ingredients well. Now we have a creamy mixture. Store the mixture in a small jar for future use. Massage your skin with gentle circular movement. Apply this mixture before bedtime. Leave it on your skin overnight. Wash your skin thoroughly with water in the morning. Use this recipe every day for the best possible results. If you need more skincare tips, drop a "Yes, I need more" and which other recipe you want me to bring.